I know I need a shave, but my shaver's rechargeable battery's flat. It's on charge, all right? I'll have a shave for the next video, I promise. Question for today, and I need your comments below. There are lots of YouTube live streams in the drone sector. Many of them are pretty terrible, from audio issues to just general technical problems, bad setup, not a very good questioning style. Just lots of issues I see, and that puts me off watching them. And I must say, these days, it's very unusual for me to watch a drone-related live stream the whole way through. I normally skip through because most of them are just so painfully tiresome, boring, and poorly constructed. Now, I'll give credit out there to Geeksvana. He's really good with his questioning style, his format and technical preparation, and his streams run pretty seamlessly. Another very good one, of course, is Ken Heron. Really good following, and again, amazing technical setup. He is a radio guy, so he's already good with the technical side, and he doesn't quite have a face for radio either, so he's doing a good job. So anyway, I want your comments because Droning On will be live streaming soon, and I want to make sure that we're not messing up like some of these other guys are. I've seen some terrible ones this week, and we don't want to do that. So comment below, what do you hate about the live streams you see today? Equally, what do you love about them? And the third question is, what have you not seen on any drone live streams so far? And that could be professionalism, it could be technical setup that's perfect. I want to know all three of those answers. So comment below, give the video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you're one of those terrible streamers. And click subscribe if you want to become a Droning On ambassador, because this channel is the best of my subscribers. You guys are going to lead the focus and the future of this channel by giving feedback and being my test subjects for live streaming, as well as the latest breaking news which will be posted here live. Thanks for watching, guys.